Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to replace the batteries on your Ring Alarm contact sensor or Ring Alarm window and door sensor. These are the second generation Ring Alarm sensors, and it takes two CR2032 batteries to replace the batteries in here. In order to remove this and replace the batteries, you want to take a look at where the Ring logo is and the little button. And in our case, we're going to pull down, but you're always going to grab from the side with the logo and button, and you're going to pull away from the other sensor. So the batteries are located right here. Now all we're going to do is grab our sensor and we're going to pull down, and that's going to take it off the mount. You can see we've pulled it off the mount here, and we've got our two batteries inside. They're CR2032 batteries, so they're those small round batteries that you can buy in packages, but we'll also include links to these down below. Typically, you're going to find the best prices if you get them online, so check those links. Now, in order to remove the batteries, you need some type of small screwdriver or something to put in here, and then you're just going to pry the batteries out. So we pried the first one out, and now we're going to pry that second battery out. There's a little tab there that allows you to get a screwdriver or something in place, and we've taken both of our batteries out of the Ring Alarm contact sensor. Now, to replace the batteries, you're just going to take new CR2032 batteries. You can see we've got them right here. They say CR2032, and what came out of them was Energizer batteries, so I recommend going back with those. Now, you're just going to take that and you're going to push it in, and then you're going to take your other Ring Alarm battery, the other 2032. You're also going to push that in, and they should both be flush. You can see how they're sitting now. And now we're ready to replace the contact sensor. So we take our Ring Alarm contact sensor, we align it with the mounting plate, and then all we're going to do this time is push up, and that's going to get that mounting sensor and mounting bracket back in place, and our Ring Alarm contact sensor has been reinstalled. So here you can check to make sure that it is powered up and the batteries are working by pressing this little button here, and it's going to light up. You can see it lit up yellow, which means that the batteries are correctly installed, and this will start to connect back to your Ring Alarm base station. So you should see it in a minute or two back on your devices section of the Ring Alarm system. So thank you for watching this video of how to replace the batteries on your Ring Alarm contact sensor or Ring Alarm window and door sensor. We hope you enjoyed this video on how to change the batteries for your Ring sensor, and we'll see you next time.